In this example, I will show you how to import existing parts and products. First, let's talk about why we need to insert them and how they should be used to create the design. As you know, to prepare the structure of the document, we have to build a primary product structure, which is normally include empty parts and products and components by using the same procedures that explained in the previous few examples. And then, we either start creating new geometries from scratch. Such type of design is called design from top to down. And the second option is inserting a previously prepared geometrical documents, like parts or products, and then, if needed, modifications will be applied on them. And this type of designing called design from down to top. Now, you may wonder which one we should use in our designs. The first thing I should say here, don't create the model by using the top-to-down operation only. And always follow these steps. First, create every single part separately. Remember, all the required commands and procedures are explained in the sketcher and part design, and also in the wireframe chapter. Second, in order to obtain the required product document, define the product structure, and then insert the parts that you prepared previously by using the insert existing component operation, which will be explained in this example. However, in many cases, you may need to insert products instead of parts. To have more information about the subject, have a look in the Files and Session Management. Now, let's see how to insert existing component. Click the Insert Existing Component icon. As you see, the related dialog box is displayed. Double-click the required document. The part is inserted in the specification tree. Also, it is displayed in the geometry area. I should mention here, in some cases, when you insert a document, you may face part number conflict problem. We'll talk about it in the next example.